Incredible herbs for nerve damage, prevent neuropathy. Nerve damage, or neuropathy, can be a challenging condition to manage. While herbs may offer some support, it's essential to approach them with caution and ideally under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Here are some herbs that are often suggested for nerve damage and neuropathy. Number 1. St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum. Known for its antidepressant properties, St. John's wort may also have nerve-calming effects due to its ability to modulate neurotransmitters. St. John's wort is not only a popular herbal remedy for depression but also highly valued for its neuroprotective properties. This herb has a rich history in herbal medicine for treating various nervous system disorders, and its benefits extend significantly to the realm of nerve health, especially in treating neuropathic pain, which can be debilitating. St. John's wort works by promoting nerve regeneration. It contains active compounds such as hypericin and hyperforin, which are thought to contribute to its ability to support nerve tissue growth and health. Number 2. Skullcap, Scutellaria spp. Skullcap is traditionally used for its nervine properties, which means it has a calming effect on the nervous system. It may help with nerve pain and inflammation. Skullcap, Scutellaria spp, is valued in herbal medicine for its nervine properties, which calm and support the nervous system. While clinical research specifically on skullcap for nerve damage is limited, its traditional use suggests potential benefits for alleviating nerve-related pain and discomfort. Skullcap contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. It is typically available as a tea, tincture, or capsule, and should be used under guidance from a healthcare provider to ensure safety and efficacy, especially when managing nerve damage or neuropathy alongside conventional treatments. Number 3. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce inflammation associated with nerve damage. Turmeric is not just a staple in culinary creations but also a super herb in the realm of medicinal herbs, particularly for combating inflammation and nerve pain. The magic ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, a compound that has received considerable attention for its potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Curcumin works by inhibiting key enzymes and proteins that propagate inflammation throughout the body. Number 4. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo has antioxidant properties and may improve blood circulation, potentially benefiting nerve health by enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery. Ginkgo biloba is a venerable herb with a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine, primarily recognized for its ability to enhance circulation. This circulatory boost is crucial for anyone suffering from nerve damage as it facilitates the flow of oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells, which are vital for their repair and health. The increased blood flow achieved through ginkgo biloba supplementation can significantly speed up the recovery processes of damaged nerves. This is particularly beneficial in conditions such as neuropathy, where poor circulation can exacerbate symptoms and slow healing. Number 5. Chamomile. Chamomile has long been revered in herbal medicine for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for managing neuropathic pain, a common symptom of nerve damage. The power of chamomile comes from its rich content of flavonoids, particularly apigenin, which is known to reduce inflammation and soothe pain. Number 6. Ginger. This potent root has been used medicinally for centuries, primarily for its anti-inflammatory properties, which make it an excellent choice for those suffering from neuropathic pain associated with nerve damage. Ginger contains gingerols and shogales, active compounds that have been shown to have significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Number 7. Peppermint. Peppermint oil, rich in menthol, is particularly effective for topical application, providing a cooling sensation that can significantly alleviate the burning and tingling sensations associated with neuropathy. Menthol, the main active ingredient in peppermint oil, works by activating the cold-sensitive TRPM8 receptors in the skin. Number 8. Evening primrose oil. Rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, evening primrose oil may help reduce inflammation and improve nerve function. Evening primrose oil, enanthrobiones, is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. While research on its direct effects on nerve damage is limited, GLA is believed to support nerve health by reducing inflammation and promoting nerve function. It is often used to alleviate symptoms of conditions like diabetic neuropathy and multiple sclerosis, where nerve damage and pain are prevalent. Evening primrose oil is typically taken orally as a supplement and should be used cautiously, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Number 9. Feverfew, Tanacetum parthenium. Feverfew is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is sometimes used to alleviate nerve pain. Feverfew, Tanacetum parthenium, is traditionally known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is often used in herbal medicine to alleviate pain, including nerve-related pain such as that associated with migraines and arthritis. While direct clinical evidence on feverfew specifically for nerve damage is limited, its anti-inflammatory actions may potentially benefit nerve health by reducing inflammation and easing associated discomfort. Feverfew is typically consumed as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form, and should be used cautiously, particularly if you have allergies or are pregnant, and ideally under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Number 10. Lemon Balm, Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm has calming properties and may help reduce stress-related nerve pain. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, is revered for its calming and anti-anxiety properties, making it beneficial for soothing nerve-related discomfort and stress. While specific clinical studies on lemon balm for nerve damage are sparse, its traditional use suggests it may help alleviate nerve pain and promote relaxation. Lemon balm contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and flavonoids that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially aiding in nerve health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. It is commonly consumed as a tea or in supplement form, and consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable for appropriate dosage and safety considerations, especially when managing nerve-related conditions. Number 11. Gotu kola, Centella asiatica. Gotu kola is believed to support nerve regeneration and may have a positive impact on overall nerve health. Gotu kola, Centella asiatica, is renowned in traditional medicine for its potential benefits to nerve health, although direct clinical evidence specifically for nerve damage is limited. It contains compounds like triterpenoids and asiaticosides that are believed to support nerve regeneration and improve circulation, which may aid in the recovery from nerve injuries or conditions like neuropathy. Gotu kola is typically consumed as a tea, tincture, or in supplement form, and should be used cautiously, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Number 12. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body cope with stress. It may support nerve health indirectly by reducing stress-related inflammation. ashwagandha is a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine, known for its remarkable adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and exert a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. Ashwagandha stands out for its ability to enhance the body's resilience in dealing with both physical and emotional stress, which can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from nerve damage. Number 13. California Poppy, Eschscholzia californica. California poppy has mild sedative and analgesic properties that may help alleviate nerve pain. California poppy, Eschscholzia californica, is traditionally used for its mild sedative and analgesic properties, which can potentially provide relief from nerve-related pain and discomfort. While scientific research specifically on California poppy for nerve damage is limited, its calming effects may help alleviate symptoms associated with nerve pain and promote relaxation. California poppy is typically prepared as a tea or tincture, and caution should be exercised, especially when combining with other medications or supplements. Consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable to determine appropriate use and dosage, particularly for managing nerve-related conditions. Managing nerve damage requires a holistic approach that may include dietary changes, physical therapy, and medications. Herbs can potentially play a supportive role in this comprehensive treatment plan. Take charge of your nerve health with nature's finest allies. Incorporate these incredible herbs into your wellness routine to protect against neuropathy and promote nerve regeneration. Whether brewed into soothing teas, added to culinary creations, or taken as supplements, these herbs offer versatile and effective ways to support your nerves naturally. Embrace the healing power of herbs and embark on a journey toward stronger, healthier nerves. Discover the difference these botanical wonders can make in your life and step into a future where nerve damage is prevented and vitality is restored, naturally. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Keep chasing your dreams and making every moment count.